While windows and doors don't cause condensation, they may be the first place it shows up. Exterior or interior moisture, or condensation, may collect on various cool surfaces, such as the glass of a window or patio door, leading to the notion that a window or door might be at fault. Condensation does not indicate a failure of your Feldco windows or patio doors. In fact, condensation is a sign of windows and doors that are performing correctly and with energy efficiency, indicating a tight and effective seal. The condensation that you see on glass surfaces is similar to the dew that can form on car windshields, on grass early in the morning, or moisture on a glass containing a cool beverage on a warm summer day. Older, less efficient windows tend to leak more air. Drier outside air seeps in, moves across the glass, and keeps condensation from occurring. This air leakage also reduces the humidity inside the home. When you replace your old drafty windows and introduce a tighter seal, your home will actually retain more humidity. When warm, moist air contacts a cooler surface, such as window glass, it cannot hold as much water vapor, so it condenses onto the cool surface. Condensation on either the exterior or interior glass is normal, especially when the interior and exterior temperatures and humidity are far apart. Common causes of humidity are everyday activities, such as taking a shower and cooking. In order to reduce condensation forming on glass surfaces in your home, you need to reduce the humidity level inside and increase airflow. You can do so using fans, opening your windows for a few minutes every day, or even the use of a dehumidifier. Taking these steps will help reduce any condensation that forms.